Hey everyone, we've got a special guest here today. We are in the Denver IMN Mid-Market Conference and got our friend Ash all the way from Dallas, Texas. So you post all the time on social. You're sharing market updates on the industry, what's happening with fundraising, technology, but you also own units, right? I'd love to hear a little bit more about what you're seeing in the mid-market. What's exciting? What do you want to share with you?
I think the biggest takeaway is that there are absolutely local nuances outside of the national headlines. What happens in Denver does not happen nationally. What happens in Texas doesn't happen nationally. What happens in New York doesn't happen nationally. So I think there's always local nuances that have to be taken accounted for. Just some quick observations is I think nationally we're starting to see rents ease up. We're seeing concessions go up. I think the big takeaway, though, is that what no one's talking about is the insurability of a lot of properties. And I also think there's a lot of bad debt that's coming online pretty soon. So we'll see what happens on that side. And so if you're not in touch with your local lender, get in touch with your local lender. You might be able to pick up some good properties with really bad debt. And that's about it.
Will that cause, with the insurability, does that cause a reset? What happens, I mean, with the insurability of
Insurance
properties?
really comes down to two things. Underwriting has not changed on insurance. Interest rates and costs of labor and materials that directly impact insurability. And what we're seeing there, quite honestly, is that rates have jacked up because the replacement costs are extraordinarily high. So you have to take that into account when it comes to insurance.
Now, on the technology side, and that's an area you love to dive into. So from technology side, a lot of technology companies here, a lot of people talking about technology and the ability to actually implement things.
Yeah.
What are you seeing? Markets kind of froze up for there a little bit. Are they starting to ease up? Are we seeing technology companies being able to raise? Are we seeing technology companies able to introduce new products to customers? What are you seeing?
I think there's a great opportunity in pragmatic technology. I think the flash in the pan kind of companies that sell you on all the latest and greatest do not last very long. They're very easy to kind of see through. And we've been through this. We've seen a few cycles in our sector. On the venture capital side, we've obviously gone through a few rounds of this stuff now. The expectation was set last year. It's always cautious capitalism kind of flowing into our industry and our sector. And really great companies are winning. Great founded teams on a great thesis are the ones that are winning in the sector. That's
awesome.
Simple.
I love it. I love the positivity. Love the reality with you. You're always great to hang out with. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
Cheers.